Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm colouring up this beautiful image from Cute Fairies by Jade Summer. We're doing a speed colouring and a flip through today. Let's pop in and have a look. So guys, it's been a while since I did a Jade Summer flip through, so I thought that I would do a speed colouring for you and include the Cute Fairies flip through at the end. So make sure that you do stick around after the speed colouring for the flip through so you can have a look at some of these beautiful images from this beautiful book. I am colouring up this one on Express It blending card, and I'm using Copic markers for this one as well. So guys, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, make sure that you've subscribed if you haven't already, and enjoy this speed colouring. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. I hope you're also sticking around to check out this flip through that we're going to do now of the book. If you would like to purchase the book, you can purchase it on Amazon, and also you can purchase it in their Etsy store as a digital file as well. So I'll pop the links for those in the description below there as well. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Also, if you would like to see the full colouring of this one, I have posted a full video tutorial up as well, so you can pop through and have a look at that using the markers. Also, if you're a patron, you will have access to the colour conversion charts as well. If you're not, pop over to Patreon and have a look at that as well. So guys, thank you so much again for watching, and I hope you enjoy this one. I really love it. It's absolutely gorgeous. They have brought out a few books over the last few weeks, so I'll try and get a couple more up for you over the next few weeks. So guys, thanks a lot for watching, and enjoy the rest of this flip through. Thanks a lot guys, don't forget to subscribe, and please leave a comment and a thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks again!